Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export from Evernote to Notion. Alright, let's begin. Start by logging into your Notion account. Once you're in, click on your profile name at the top left corner of the screen. A few options will appear, so go ahead and click on Settings. This will open your account settings. On the left side of the window, scroll down to the bottom of the menu and click on Import. Here, you'll see a list of apps and platforms from which you can import data. From the list, select Evernote. Next, you'll need to authorize the connection between Evernote and Notion. You will be asked to select the duration for which you want to authorize the connection, with the maximum duration being 1 year. After selecting the duration, click on Authorize. If you're not already logged into Evernote in your browser, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once logged in, click on the 3 dots next to the authorization confirmation and select Import. If you have multiple notebooks in your Evernote account, Notion will ask you to select which notebook you want to import. Choose the notebook you'd like to transfer and click on Import. Notion will then begin importing the notes from the selected notebook. Once the process is complete, you'll see the imported notes in your Notion workspace. The notes will retain their original formatting and structure, making it easy to continue working on them in Notion. And that's it. So that's basically how you can export from Evernote to Notion. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.